안녕하세요, your Korean speaking partner 아루사예요. In this video, we will work on how to conjugate verbs to make the present tense. The Korean verb consists of two parts. One is the verb stem, the other verb ending. After the verb stem, various verb endings are used to indicate the tense and different expressions. Let's learn how to conjugate verbs to make the present tense. I sorted out verbs into three groups. The first group with 아, 오, the second 하다, the third 여, 우, 으, 이. After removing da, if the last letter has 아, 오, it doesn't have the last consonant, you can use the expression as it is as a casual expression. For example, 가다, remove da, so 가 is an actual expression meaning go. Or I go, 나는 가. 타다 to take transportation, 타다, remove 다, and 타 has the vowel character. Then you use 타 as it is. 나는 버스 타. I take a bus. Again, to make it a casual polite, 타요, add 요, 타요. 나는 버스 타요. If the last letter has the final consonant, then we add 아. Remember, 아 with with to blend. 갈다, remove da, and 갈 has lir, the final consonant, so we add 아. 가라, blend some fruit. 과일 좀 가라. 가라. Casual polite, 가라요. After learning the rules to conjugate the verbs, we're going to practice conjugation with verbs for daily routine. And this is the easiest one. 하다, to do, you just change it to 해 or 해요. There are so many compound expressions of a noun with 해요, like 공부해요, 파티해요, 요가해요. So, whenever you see the base form blah blah 하다, then use 해 for casual, 해요 for casual polite. This is the easiest one to conjugate. And the last one. After removing 다, the last letter has 여, 우, 으, 이. Then we add Remember? 아 with with 먹다, to eat. Remove 다. 먹 has the vowel character So, 먹어. 씻다, to wash. 씻 has vowel character, so add 씻어. Again, to make it a casual polite expression, 씻어요, 먹어요. That's it. Now let's practice conjugation with the verbs for daily routine. To get up, 일어나다. 나 has so we can use it as it is. 일어나, get up. 나는 7시에 일어나. I get up at 7. Make it a casual polite, always add 요. 일어나요. So after getting up, you need to wash your hands. So, 씻다, to wash. 씻 has so we add 씻어, wash your hands. 손 씻어. And then what do? You blend some fruits, make fruit juice, huh? 갈다. 갈 has with the final consonant, so we add 가라. 과일 가라. Plant some fruit. 과일 좀 갈아요. And then we make breakfast. To make, 만들다. So we add 만들어요. Let me give you a tip. Actually, when learning a language, we shouldn't really stick to the grammar rules too much. If you want to master how to say your daily routine, all the expressions, then write them down on paper and then just put it on the wall or where you can see very often, and then just on a daily basis, just practice speaking out loud. Like 아침 만들어, 과일 갈아. You should use it on a daily basis every day. That way, your brain can remember those expressions better and longer. 마시다, So we add but we don't say 마시어. plus becomes 여, so 마셔. Drink some coffee. 커피 마셔. Yes, F, F sound, so we change it to P. 커피 마셔. 커피 마셔요. 먹다, add remember with with So 먹어요. 아침 먹어요. Have breakfast. 하다, always 해, right? So 해, 출근하다, to go to work. 출근해, I go to work, I'm off to work. 나 출근해, 출근해요. 가다, to go. But it doesn't have the final consonant, so you just use it as it is. I'm off to school. 나 학교 가요. 타다, to take transportation. To take a bus, 버스 타요. To take a subway, 지하철 타요. How about to drive? Yes, 운전하다. So change it to 해. 운전해. To finish, 마치다. Yes, plus o. E plus o becomes 여. 맞춰. I finish work at 6. 6시에 맞춰요. And time to meet up with your friends. 만나다, to meet. 만나. Without final consonant, so 만나, 친구 만나요. 오다, to come. O plus so we change it to 와요. I come home. 집에 와요. Come over to my home. Come over. 와. 쉬다, to rest. 쉬 has E sound, so plus 쉬어요. And the last verb, 자다, to sleep. Without the final consonant, so use it as it is. Get some sleep. 좀 자요. Good night. 잘 자요. That's it. I've noticed that many beginners who learn Korean use 다, blah blah 다, the base form as it is, but try to use expression ending in 요, which is the casual polite expression. And that way, if you make friends and get really close, then remove yo, you can use the verb as it is, right? And don't stick to the grammar rules too much. Try to learn the expressions naturally on a daily basis. Whenever you take a little action, try to recall the Korean expression. That way, you can remember expressions better and longer. Well, I just said sticking to the grammar rules is not really a good idea, but however, you know the difference between kids and adults. When we learn logic, how the language works, how to conjugate verbs or how to make sentences, then we actually tend to learn things faster than, little kids. So I would say there's no like a correct ways to learn a foreign language. Choose the way that suits you. That's my tip for you. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please hit 좋아요 and 구독. 감사합니다. 안녕.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do